Hi guys, welcome back. Let's put some time offset for the animation of a clone of an object in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program where the clones of an object, for example this bending cuboid, will move several frames after the original cuboid, the original bending cuboid, has started moving. So let's do this. To do this, simply create a cuboid. Click on the cube object. Afterwards, change the size Y to 600 centimeters, just like this, and then increase all of the segments to 20 units per segment, and then place the base until it is lying on the plane by clicking on the place tool. Afterwards, you bend it by clicking on the bend object. Place it upwards so that it lies here, and then drag it into the cube object afterwards. We're going to be animating the cuboid so that it bends from 0 frame. Let's say if you want the strength to be minus 120 degrees, and then click on the diamond to make a keyframe, and then 30 frames after, change the strength to 120 degrees. Click on the diamond. Keep doing this every 20 frames. After animating the cuboid so that it bends, it will look like this. Ooh, now it's bending just like this. And let's clone it by clicking on the clone object. Cloner object, and then drag the cube into the cloner. Afterwards, you simply decrease the X count to 1 and then the Z count to, let's say, 8, so that there are 8 of them. And then space it by inserting like 400 centimeters for the cuboid spacing. And then as you can see, this bending cuboid that we animated alongside its clones are moving together just like this. So let's now make each clone to move differently. That's to say, let's make it move like several frames after the original cuboid has started moving. So to do this, click on the cloner object, head over to MoGraph, effector, and then click on shader. So the shader effector is used so that we can use a gradient to make each clone to be displaced or put in another direction. That will make the clone to move differently from the others. So go to shader, and then afterwards change the time offset to 15, and then disable the color mode. Afterwards turn off the scale, and then as you can see, the cuboid and the clones are still moving together. So to bring the displacement to life, click on shading and then click on the down arrow, and then let's say if you want the noise gradient as the displacer, just like this. And then when you're done, ooh, now every cuboid, the original cuboid and the clones, are moving differently, just like this. Each of them gets displaced by this noise texture. So click on the texture to do some tweaks with the displacement of each cuboid. Let's say if we increase the seed just like this, and then we just make sure that we have the displacement that we want. When we're done, it'll look like this. Ooh, fancy. Now every cuboids are moving differently, in a different manner, and each of the cuboid moves several frames, that is 15 frames after the preceding cuboids. So that's how you can put time offset to the animation of a 3D object or a geometry in Cinema 4D, just like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget. And for me, it's good day. Ciao.